Hello, this is me, Ali Rosa. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, since June, you can see right now it's November, so it's June, July, August, September, October, November, 6 months probably, 5 months. Since June, my campaigns have just not been performing as well as they used to. These are the campaigns I'm running, and yes, they are slightly limited by budget, but that hasn't been an issue in the past. This online store sells luxury items and is based in South Africa with worldwide shipping. I have cut down on keywords significantly. I'm not too phased about the shopping campaigns. The search campaign perform best but are still not performing how they used to. Any advice to welcome, and if you need more information, just let me know. Okay, let me see the thing over here. It's too hard to see over here, but let's say I'm seeing it over here. Okay, you have created the campaigns on maximize conversions, and I'm not able to see the conversion data, so I'm not able to tell over here, but I can give you few suggestions. Here I can see some conversions. Let me move over here, and I can see over here this campaign, search campaign, and you have set maximize conversions, and you are getting clicks, and you are also getting this limited budget as well, and you are saying you're getting cost per conversion, few conversions as well, with conversion rate varies from 1%, which is slightly less. I believe that 1% is something I'm not going to work on. So what are the reasons and how you can solve it? Okay, but as you have told that you have a worldwide shipping, and I do not assume that you are targeting on which country or area locations are performing well for you. So my strategy or recommendation for you is to look around on your orders, existing orders, figure out your target locations. Now you can look around on which area, which country, which niche are specifically working well for your industry, and you can look for those and create a good campaign regarding this. So that is my ultimate suggestion for you when it comes to uh, you know countrywide. Second thing is to understand your timings. We are, because it's an e-commerce store, so I recommend you to look around. For instance, if you figure out the target locations, you can create specific campaigns for those locations and understand your timings, which are your peak timings. You can look around on those as well. But you know that because you said that you sell luxury items, and the campaign has been performing well, you need to also look around on your Google Ads. There is a function over here in Google Ads. When you move to the Google Ads, let me show you. Like this is a default page dashboard. Just move on to change history and figure out on what changes were exactly you have done in the last few uh, months, June, which were the core reason behind your drop in sale. There maybe you may have done some changes on your campaign side. You can look around on those. In case if you have done any changes on your website, you can also look around. And even because it's a luxury store item, you may be having new items added every day on your website. So there can be a scenario that since June you have added either very expensive products or different products, which can also be a result in a decline in sales. You can have a different hosting company change, and your new website is now partially low, which is why your sales are being down. There can be another new competitor as well in the market, and that is now getting your major sales, so that can be another reason as well. As far as the campaign optimization is concerned, I may have a lot of question because I am not able to see the images pictures clearly, but based on the data I have, I think that we can try doing like bid impression share and try running your ad on absolute top position. That because search campaign is working well for you, figure out with those keywords which are working well for you, and you can create SKG campaigns for you along with the locations which are working well for you. You can optimize on your uh, ad extensions, add more new extensions, You can also look around on your devices, which devices are converting well for you. So I hope these are, few of the general advices. But again, in case if you need a good deep audit, me and my team can do a deep audit for you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description. And even in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO or web development services, me and my team can help you in sorting out. And I hope this answers your question as well. And in case if you like this video, make sure to share this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.